If that ain't the crustiest little four-leaf clover I've ever seen. I know it doesn't look like one, but I promise it is. Okay. One thing about me is I have made it my mission to challenge your perspective when it comes to four-leaf clovers. Everyone thinks they're supposed to be perfect heart-shaped. Well, I'm here to tell you that is not true. They are unique just like you and I. As long as they come from the white clover mutation species, keyword mutation, because that is what a four-leaf clover is. It is a mutation. Anywho, I present to you day 648 of the four-leaf clover of the day. Yay! Now I hope to see you tomorrow. It is crusty season. I can't wait until January is over.